The Bosch Dishwasher E15 error with a bone-dry float pan is a critical signal that needs immediate attention to get your appliance running again. We are going to eliminate this persistent E15 fault right now. First, unplug your dishwasher entirely from the power outlet to ensure safety. Next, locate and carefully remove the lower access panel, which usually involves unscrewing a few fasteners. Once that panel is off, you'll see the float switch assembly gently lifted to check for any debris or damage that might be preventing it from returning to its resting position. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in system permissions, which brings us to method 2, a full system reset. With the power still off, find the main control board and press and hold the reset button for a solid 30 seconds, then reconnect power and turn the dishwasher back on to see if the E15 error is gone. If the E15 error persists, we need to investigate the water inlet valve assembly. Turn off your water supply, disconnect the inlet hose, and thoroughly clean the valve screen for any blockages that could be misinterpreting flow. Reconnect everything, turn the water back on, and test a cycle. For our final Bosch Dishwasher E15 error float pan workaround, ensure power is off, access the float pan area directly, and meticulously dry any residual moisture. Then manually test the float's movement for any resistance before reassembling and running a quick rinse cycle.